Are you on a mission to sculpt those rock-solid abs but feeling frustrated by their refusal to make an appearance? Don't throw in the towel just yet. It's time to unravel the mystery behind why your abs seem to be playing a game of hide and seek. In this video, we're diving deep into the realm of abdominal fitness to explore the 10 sneaky reasons why your abs aren't showing. Get ready to revamp your approach, debunk the myths, and unleash the sculpted midsection you've been longing for. Say goodbye to the guessing game and let's embark on a journey to discover the truth behind your elusive abs. Number 10. High body fat percentage. A significant barrier to visible abs is often a high body fat percentage. Even if you possess well-developed abdominal muscles, they will remain concealed beneath layers of fat. To reveal your abs, it is crucial to focus on reducing your overall body fat through a combination of a calorie-controlled diet and regular cardiovascular exercise. Incorporating strength training into your routine can also help increase your metabolic rate and facilitate fat loss. Number 9. Inadequate caloric deficit. Creating a caloric deficit is essential for shedding body fat. If you are not consuming fewer calories than you burn, your body will not tap into its fat stores for energy. To overcome this obstacle, monitor your caloric intake and adjust your diet accordingly. Ensure that you maintain a moderate caloric deficit while providing your body with the necessary nutrients for optimal performance. Number 8. Lack of cardiovascular exercise. A lack of regular cardiovascular exercise can hinder your progress towards visible abs. Cardiovascular activities, such as running, swimming, or cycling, help burn calories and reduce body fat. Engaging in high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is particularly effective in accelerating fat loss. Aim for a combination of moderate-intensity steady-state cardio and heat workouts to maximize your fat-burning potential. Number 7. Insufficient abdominal training. While it is impossible to spot reduced fat from specific areas, targeted abdominal exercises are crucial for strengthening and defining your abs. Ensure that you include a variety of exercises that target different parts of your abdominal muscles, such as planks, crunches, bicycle crunches, and reverse crunches. Additionally, incorporating functional exercises that engage your core, like mountain climbers and kettlebell swings, can help develop your abs indirectly. Number 6. Weak abdominal muscles. Weak abdominal muscles can hinder the visibility of your abs. Alongside reducing body fat, it is essential to focus on strengthening your abdominal muscles through progressive resistance training. Gradually increase the intensity of your exercises to challenge your abs and stimulate muscle growth. Exercises such as weighted crunches, hanging leg raises, and cable wood choppers are effective for building abdominal strength. If you're digging the content on our channel, show some love and smash that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more informative videos like this one. Number 5. Lack of overall muscle development. Visible abs are often part of a well-developed physique that includes muscular development in other areas of the body. If your overall muscle development is lacking, your abs may not appear as pronounced. Incorporate full body strength training exercises that target major muscle groups, such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. These compound movements will help increase muscle mass and enhance overall body composition, complementing the appearance of your abs. Number 4. Hormonal imbalances. Hormonal imbalances can have a significant impact on muscle gain. Testosterone, growth hormone, insulin, cortisol, thyroid hormones, and estrogen all play crucial roles in regulating muscle protein synthesis, muscle repair, and growth. Imbalances in these hormones can hinder muscle gain by reducing protein synthesis, impairing muscle recovery, promoting muscle protein breakdown, affecting metabolism and energy utilization, and interfering with testosterone production. Addressing hormonal imbalances may require medical evaluation and guidance to develop appropriate strategies, including lifestyle modifications, supplementation, and potential hormone replacement therapy. By restoring hormonal balance, individuals can optimize their chances of achieving muscle growth and overall muscle development. Number 3. Excessive stress. Chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, which can contribute to increased abdominal fat storage. Additionally, stress may hinder recovery and impact your ability to build muscle. Incorporating stress management techniques, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and engaging in activities you enjoy, can help reduce stress levels and support your efforts in revealing your abs. Stress can also hinder muscle gain by increasing cortisol levels, impairing recovery, disrupting hormonal balance, promoting catabolic activity, impacting sleep quality, and reducing appetite and proper nutrition. Chronic stress can lead to muscle protein breakdown, slower muscle repair, and hindered muscle development. Managing stress through techniques like meditation, exercise, sufficient sleep, and a balanced diet is crucial to mitigate its negative impact on muscle gain and support overall well-being. Number 2. Inadequate sleep. Sleep deprivation or poor sleep quality can disrupt hormonal balance, specifically affecting hormones related to appetite regulation and metabolism. Lack of sleep can increase ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and decrease leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, leading to overeating and potential weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize hormonal balance and support your fitness goals. Number 1. Genetics. Genetics play a role in body fat distribution and muscle development, including abs. Some individuals may naturally have a higher propensity to store fat in the abdominal area or may have less pronounced abdominal muscles. While genetics cannot be changed, it is essential to focus on what you can control, such as reducing overall body fat, building muscle, and optimizing your physique based on your unique genetic makeup. Genetics impact weight loss through factors like metabolic rate, fat storage, appetite regulation, exercise response, and nutrient metabolism. Genetic variations can affect how efficiently we burn calories, where we store fat, our hunger levels, exercise benefits, and nutrient processing. While genetics play a role, lifestyle choices remain vital for weight management. By adopting a balanced diet, regular exercise, and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals, individuals can navigate their genetic predispositions and achieve healthy weight goals. And that's a wrap, folks. We've dived deep into the world of abs and uncovered the 10 reasons why your rock-hard midsection has been playing hide and seek. But fear not, armed with this newfound knowledge, you're now equipped to overcome the obstacles standing between you and those coveted abs. It's time to revamp your nutrition, fine-tune your training, and stay persistent on your fitness journey. Remember, sculpting abs takes time, dedication, and a pinch of patience. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and never give up on your quest for that ripped core. So, go out there and show off the results of your hard work. Let your abs do the talking and inspire others to embark on their own transformative journey. Keep striving, keep grinding, and let your abs shine brighter than ever before. Until next time, stay fit, stay focused, and keep chasing those dream abs. See you on the next adventure.